Being in a brewery every single day is just magical. It is just, I mean, everything. Thanks, Justin. Thanks for interrupting what I was doing here. You didn't have enough time on camera that you have to take my time?
Really goes back to our whole goal is to constantly be looking for the next new thing, and again, that could mean reinventing an old thing, you know, but we don't want to be bored. If we're bored making the same old thing, our customers are probably bored drinking the same old thing.
And that's the beauty of our model. What we're doing here at Schoolhouse, we're a rotating brewery, is to have something new every single time you come in, and it's going to be a lot of fun that way. I was in the classroom as a teacher, and then eventually got the idea that I wanted to start a business on my own, and I opened Schoolhouse Brewing, which was a homebrew shop and growler store. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just about selling beer or selling beer products. It was helping people learn more about craft and learning more about the whole scene. So that's where our tagline comes in, where education meets recess.
I love seeing the expression on people's faces when they walk in, and when they come inside and they see the tasting room, eyes just get huge, you know? And then they go over to the bar and they see all these choices, which is another surprise to them. And then they have a couple of them, and then they're impressed that everything they drink they enjoy.
We're an open source brewery also, so if you like one of our recipes, we'll give you the recipe. Here, go brew it at home.
I love the end of the day. When we finish brewing or something, and I can go just chill and just watch the tasting room, it's just cool to just see people having a good time, and I hear them talking about the beer, you know, and just enjoying themselves, and to think that, like, we made that possible, you know. We collectively, we are, you know, friends, family, everybody, but the fact that this wasn't here before, and now all these people are having a good time because we wanted to make something happen and we did, it's very fulfilling.